I'm Rie.
And I'm Alix.
Today, we will be challenged to take a popular food and make it fancy. This episode is my first time to tagging along with a friend, and I chose my BFF.
Hashtag
Alix. Let's see what we are making fancy today.
drum roll, please.
We don't have a pizza roll.
Wow! Pizza rolls. Rie, do you like pizza rolls?
I think I've never had it before. Let's give it a try. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's cute.
When I was a kid, I used to eat these like they were, you know. What do you eat a lot? I like water.
Popcorn? It's basically a deconstructed pizza.
You have that like dough on the outside, enveloping a nice pizza sauce, some cheese.
Heavy on the pizza sauce.
It's very saucy.
Yeah. A little bit under seasoned.
Yeah.
This is a kid's food.
It doesn't have to be. So many fun memories of, you know.
First date. This pizza roll need a little bit TLC, and we are excited to
Make it fancy.
Oh yeah! All right, here's what we got: basil,
Parsley,
eggs,
burrata,
black truffle butter,
doppio zero flour, extra fine, like me.
black truffle,
Pancetta,
butter,
heavy whipping cream,
shallots.
semolina flour,
Why do you say that's like sexy?
Oh.
Chopped Calabrian pepper,
garlic,
tomato paste,
and Parmesan. And from the pantry, we got
garlic powder,
salt,
black pepper,
extra virgin olive oil.
and vodka.
Bye.
Let's get started. Make it fancy.
By the way, Rie, I wore my fanciest velvet pantsuit for you.
Oh, it's nice. So first, bake this. We are not cooking whole way through. We are just thawing in the oven at 400 and for 10 to 12 minutes.
Easy enough.
All right, next step,
I found some pearls on your set.
dissect pizza roll.
And I'm gonna scrape out the filling into a bowl here. Did you ever dissect things in school?
Yes, we did fish.
Fish?
Have you?
Yeah, I dissected.
What? You are a science major.
Yeah, I was. We've made it to the last two, and we're gonna save this for later.
Bake this pizza roll shells at 400 for 15 minutes and make it very, very crispy.
All right, we have our crispy shell. Not gonna lie, these look kind of good.
Yeah.
Should I try?
Is it good? Put this in a food processor.
Here we go.
Good.
Guess what song?
This. Eyes of Tiger.
Eyes of the Tiger! Pulsing seems to work better.
So Terminator.
Rie, you're good!
Put in a mesh sieve and make a fine powder.
And sifty. We've got our big chunks on top and a finer powder below.
We're gonna need this fine powder, just 2 ounces.
Setting the breadcrumbs aside, and now we're ready to move on.
I have 7-ounce semolina flour, 7-ounce WO flour,
2 ounces of our extra fine pizza roll flour.
2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it.
Make the magic happen. My mom once broke her hand in one of these. She stuck it in and it twisted. She did it on Christmas Eve baking a Christmas cake. She passed out on the floor. We had to call the ambulance and we were all in the emergency room in Christmas onesies. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of water in 4 eggs. Give that a little whisk. Pour it in our flour mixture. Okay.
Take this out and start kneading.
Rie is someone who loves to do a lot of things by hand, if you don't know.
Well, you can basically do almost everything by hand. We
Yeah.
didn't have anything when we were cavemen.
It's true.
Channeling our ancestor.
Yeah.
Dough came together. It's nice and bouncy. Wrap this in a plastic. Rest this for 30 minutes.
So we've rested the dough and we have a baking sheet lined with some semolina flour.
And we have a pasta attachment. Cut this in a golf ball size. Pop in here. Boop. Oh, cute! Teamwork. Teamwork makes the pasta work. So we are making penne, but it's a little bit bigger, so it almost looks like a rigatoni.
No, it's a rigatotino.
We are going to make pasta with all the dough we have.
And then we're gonna move on to the next step.
2 tablespoons of butter.
My favorite food.
Butter?
Now we're adding the bigger chunks of our pizza roll shells. Season this with a little salt, some pepper. Oh, for good luck.
Ah, my eyes!
A little bit of garlic powder. We're also adding in some fresh parsley. This is looking good. I think we're ready to move on to the next step.
Yeah.
Wow, look at our pasta, our rigatotino.
So cute! Look at this.
It's very cute. I'm definitely this one. It's a little bent out of shape.
I like curly one. I
There you
like this
go.
one.
Wow, look at us. Put them in the tub.
When you make a pasta from scratch, it feels a little bit softer.
Yeah.
But this
It's
one,
definitely like a rougher texture. Fresh pasta actually cooks really fast, so we don't need to boil this for too long. All right, let's give it a little.
Ow! Are you okay?
You shouldn't do that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's good?
A little al dente. Never forget to save your pasta water.
Looks good. Let's keep it
We're
going.
cruising.
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Boom. Pancetta. Crisp it up. Look at the color on that.
Nice. I love bacon grease and pancetta grease.
One of my second favorite foods.
Minced shallot. Stir. What's your favorite pasta shape?
I really do enjoy rigatoni. Anything kind of weird like the trumpets, I'm obsessed with.
I think orecchiette is my favorite.
I love it, yeah.
Yeah. Look like a little hat. The garlic is going in.
Boom.
Chili.
Calabrian chili. Look at that color.
I love it. Tomato paste.
It's all starting to really come together in the pan. It smells amazing. You know, you want to toast up that tomato paste.
And time for
Vodka. So we're doing
half cup. Half cup.
2 shots of vodka.
And we want to evaporate
The
alcohol.
No, we don't want to.
You want a full vodka flavor?
Yeah, this is college. Totino's pizza rolls and vodka.
All right. What do you
Damn,
think?
that looks really good. Oh,
Oh, vodka.
oh my God. Okay, keep burning up the alcohol. We're doing 1 cup of pasta water. The reason you want to save your pasta water is the starches in it will help thicken up your sauce. And in case you have forgotten, it is now time for our pizza roll filling.
Pizza guts.
Pizza guts.
Pizza guts. It has cheese, so it
Ooh,
should
that'll be
melt.
good.
Yeah.
Melt that into your delicious bowl of vodka. I wonder if those little balls of cheese like are gonna melt, or if they're like so processed that they stay that way.
Guess what the pizza roll mascot?
Tony.
Wait, so we're gonna guess a name?
Yeah,
What does it look like?
it's a pizza roll with 2 eyes.
Pizza roll
Oh.
with 2 eyes.
His
So
name
does it
is
sound like a human name?
Yes.
Giorgino.
Giorgino.
Money?
Pete.
And his middle name is?
Kanye.
Pete the
Last name?
Totino.
Totino?
The
Totino.
roll.
Ding 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 ding.
Ah!
Right, so it seems like the cheese is not melting, so let's blend it.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, just a fair warning in my splash. So do you,
You
want
can
me to
do
do
the
it?
honors.
Okay. All right. Wait, did it?
Not bad.
Not bad. I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta water, so it's easy to blend it.
Good job, Rie.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Keep giving me a good energy.
Blend.
Nice and smooth.
We're adding in our heavy whipping cream.
Whipping cream, H is silent. Whoever came up with this tomato and heavy cream combination, the genius.
They should be knighted.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Make it rain.
Make it
Make it
rain.
rain.
And now, for our little rigatotinos. There I am.
Oh, come on in, Alex.
Jump
Water
it
is-
in. Get it all.
Sauce is warm.
We need some friends in the pool. Boom.
This pool is very crowded.
And now, truffle butter.
Mm.
That's fancy. We're really
Yeah.
getting fancy here.
Pasta looks great, but we have a few more things to do.
So let's get fancy! Whew, that was a workout. Rie, I commend you for your job.
Thank you. And what we have?
We have the rigatotino alla vodka.
And we sprinkled pizza roll breadcrumbs,
Crispy pancetta, fresh basil,
burrata,
black pepper.
fresh basil,
I already said that.
and black truffle.
And
We are done. Rigatotino alla vodka. Very fancy. All right, we have a special guest to try our creation.
Zoya!
Zoya! Do you guys know each other?
Yeah, I met her once. Hi, Rie.
Do you like my necklace?
Yeah, what is it?
Pearls! I'm fancy.
Okay,
Yes.
that makes sense.
Do you want to wear them?
Oh my gosh. No, thank you.
Have a bite and
Yeah.
guess what we made fancy today?
That's good. That's very yummy, actually. There's truffle on it, so it does look very fancy.
What are the flavor elements in the sauce?
Pizza. So tomato, you have cheese.
Can you guess anything pizza components but
Less fancy than this.
Like a bagel bite or something.
Walmart?
A pizza roll?
Yeah! Good job! And it also has about 5 cups of vodka.
Oh,
Did we make a pizza roll fancy?
this is the fanciest pizza roll I've ever had.
Now we have one last thing to do. Don't make mistake. 3, 2, 1.
Make it fancy.